Come back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes. I love to share ideas and tips and recipe with you, and this is a new recipe which I want to share with you. You know what I mean, from the last couple of weeks I want to share this recipe with you. This one going to be onion fried rice. It's going to be amazing recipe, or you can call it onion rice. I don't know what you guys will love to call it, but for me, you know what I mean, frying up the onion and things like onion fried rice, it's going to be amazing. It's a Caribbean dish, you know what I mean, and a lot of Caribbean people do this one. So new ideas, new tips, and I'm going to be showing you how you can do this at home. So please enjoy the recipe, subscribe and click the notification bell. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. And also, you know what, follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page, Chef Ricardo, and you can get a lot more ideas on what's going on over there on my page. Alright guys, remember, a lot of people been cooking different dishes on the YouTube channel and send a picture over to my Instagram where I post all of those pictures. So if you love what I'm been doing, and you know what I mean, you can make a favorite dish on Chef Ricardo YouTube channel, send a picture, you can win a prize. Alright, because I will be giving away a lot of things coming up very soon. Stay tuned with Chef Ricardo in the kitchen. Onion fried rice with Chef Ricardo. Lovely and nice. So basically, as you can see it right here, I got a big bowl. I got some white onion which I'm going to be using. So first thing, this is half of a white onion. What we're going to do, simple, cut them up. Yes. And this rice can be served with anything, oxtail, or you can serve it with stewed chicken, curry chicken, lamb, beef, whatever you like to serve it with. But you know what I mean, you can cut up your onion small, fine, whatever you like to cut it up into. But you know what I mean, I'm just cutting up a simple little way right here, that's what you guys can see. Alright, I'm going to be using at least roughly about 3 medium-sized white onion. So that's the first thing you want to do. You want to make sure cut up your onion and get it ready and prepare. Just be careful of the onion because it do burn eyes. Alright, and be careful of your knife. Health and safety, just be careful when you're going to be doing this one. Alright, so I will be giving you some tips and ideas how to get off the strongness of your onion from getting in your eye, but not today. Alright, nice, lovely. So basically, I love to use this. It's a very hard pot I have right here, as you can see it for yourself. But for do certain kind of dish like what I'm doing right now, this is a very good pot to use. Secondly, I've been using some light spray oil, but what I'm going to do is simply pour out a little bit from my pan. And what that's going to do is going to turn it into an oil. Alright, look at that. See? So it's just gonna simply turn it into oil. Alright? And what I'm gonna do now is put my onion, and I'm gonna burn this onion in the pot until it gets black. It's gonna take quite a few minutes. So I have you on a really high temperature. The best pot to use should be this pot, but I'm gonna switch it over to another pot. Alright, so what I did, I switched over into a bigger pot. So we're gonna just burn off this onion. Alright? Until it get black. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as you can see right here, this is it. So I make it boil all the way right down there. See how that look nice? Look at that. Beautiful. That's exactly what you want. Alright. I will just wash my rice. Alright, and as I say, I'm using 3 cups of rice. This is the rice right there. Alright. And what I'm gonna do is pour off the water into the rice. You have to be careful because you don't want to put too much water in. So you have to be careful here, guys. Please be careful when you're doing it, because you don't want to put too much water. Because my rice is like an easy cook rice, you know what I mean? It doesn't take long to cook. A little bit more. Alright, so I don't want to put too much. Alright, if you want, you can put some of the onion inside of it, but let's taste it because, you know, that's perfect. You can run a few of the onion through it, you know what I mean? You don't have to put a lot, just run a few of it through it. And anything you want to do with the rest of the onion, you can also do it, you know what I mean? That is beautiful. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to just leave this for it to cook. We should have a Scotch bonnet pepper for chucking it, but you don't have to overdo it. You can just keep it simple, like you're cooking some rice in your cooker, your rice cooker at home. You can do the same thing with this. Just burn off your white onion and cook it in your rice cooker like this. Alright, so we're gonna allow this to cook for roughly about 20 minutes or 15 to 20 minutes the least. Stay tuned with Chef Ricardo. Nice one. So I'm gonna boil off some broccoli and some bean. Alright, because vegetable is good for us. Look at that. Amazing. That is beautiful. Alright, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Look at this. So we're just gonna boil off this. No salt, no oil, no butter, no sugar. So we're gonna prepare this now. Nice one. So this is the vegetables. We do not overcook vegetables. Alright. So this is it. This is almost ready now. So next 2 or 3 minutes I'm just gonna pour it off. So what I'm gonna do in the meantime now is start to share up that beautiful meal. Hopefully you guys will like the recipe. Stay tuned. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically that's the rice. Rice is finished, and what we're going to do is share it up. Look at that. That's amazing. Is that look good, guys? Tell me. Fluffy up and nice and shelly up and all them thing there. Alright, so enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas. Let's share it up. Look at that. Amazing. Dinner right here. Alright, so this is the rice which I make earlier. This is the real authentic onion fried rice recipe from Chef Ricardo. Beautiful. Yeah, want you guys to just enjoy the recipe then, because it is amazing. Alright, look at this now. This is fantastic, lovely and nice, and so simple. So simple and easy but effective, you know what I mean? That's exactly what we're talking about. With some nice lovely chicken thigh. Can't go wrong. Beautiful and nice. Not only that, we have a lot of tips and ideas how to make these kind of dishes at home, guys. Trust me. It's so amazing. Look at that. Now I have some vegetable which I want to share up. You know what I mean, guys? I love vegetable. I love my vegetables, you know? Yeah. A lot of people don't like vegetable, but me personally, I love my vegetables. Beautiful. Got some broccoli and some bean right here. This is a very expensive dinner. Yeah, but expensive but simple and cheap. Anyway guys, enjoy the recipe. I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. As you can see, that's the beautiful rice, and this is the jerk seasoned summer glazed chicken recipe from Chef Ricardo. And right here is the rice. Alright, so stay tuned, and I will definitely see you next time in the kitchen with more recipes and ideas. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye. Back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes. I like to share new ideas and new things with you. We all know it's coming up to summer. Summer is around the corner. A lot of people will be doing a lot of things in their back garden, in their kitchen, in their oven. All different kind of things will be taking place, you know what I mean? But anyway, new recipe, new ideas, and this is a recipe which I want to share with you. It is a jerk season summer braised chicken recipe from Chef Ricardo. It is amazing recipe. Someone asked me the other day about the recipe, and I am willing to say, you know what, let me just share the recipe with, you know, something different, something you can put on the table and make the family happy, and every one of you guys really enjoy this beautiful recipe. This can be served with some beautiful fried onion rice. Stay tuned and subscribe, clicking the notification bell, and also tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. So now we're going to show you how to marinate up this beautiful summer braised chicken recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team today. Nice and beautiful. So basically I have some chicken thigh which I brought up the supermarket, washed them off into some lemon juice, remove the skin from it, and now I'm going to be showing you how to marinate this beautiful jerk seasoned summer braised chicken recipe today from Chef Ricardo. I'm going to show you how to marinate it, how to get the flavor into it, and how to bring a nice lovely taste This one will be baked inside of your oven at home in your kitchen. You can put it on the grill, on a barbecue grill, you know what I mean, on the outside. But first thing, let's marinate the meat, you know what I mean. As I said, you have some fresh thyme right here, and nothing nice like when you can put on some fresh thyme on your chicken at home. Secondly, I have my new garlic press. You might have said, Chef Ricardo, I prefer the next one, but also I have this one which I normally use sometime to press my garlic, you know what I mean. I don't know. So basically this one is just really amazing. As you can see, look at that, you know what I mean. It's just simple. Press the garlic, get that flavor out from the garlic. As you can see, amazing. It's just something new on the market. I decided to share with you guys, you know. So this is what happened when this one is really nice, honestly, you know what I mean. Just simple, scrape out the garlic like that. All right, so I'm using 3 cloves of garlic right here. Look at that, beautiful. A lot of people might have said, oh, Chef Ricardo, I don't like this one. Yeah, this one is really nice. I love it so much. Look at that, beautiful. So that's the garlic and the fresh thyme on the chicken right here. Basically, I have some garlic and tomato seasoning, but if you don't have this one, don't worry yourself. This one is in the local shop or your supermarket. It's just me adding a little bit of extra to it, you know what I mean. But I like this one. Just simple. Add a little bit on it, just like that. It's really nice when you're marinating your meat with it. Secondly, I must say to you, this is a jerk season which I brought from the supermarket. Really spicy and hot. You can make your own jerk season if you like to, but this one, I have this one and I've been using it. You can go on the internet and type in Jamaican jerk season, and I'm using a teaspoon of it because it's really spicy. All right, nice one. Secondly, this is my natural blending season. We all know that Chef Ricardo uses natural blending season at all time. We're going to put a teaspoon of my natural blending season with the jerk season. Look at that. That is just fantastic and amazing. Secondly, I'm going to just simply crack a little bit of black pepper. Thirdly, I'm going to put on some paprika. And also I have some pimento seed which I want to put to it. I'm putting a rough about 4 pimento seed inside of it. And secondly, again, we have some chicken season. We're just gonna add roughly about a teaspoon. And this is some all-purpose seasoning. We're gonna add roughly about 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Lovely. And secondly, I have some spring onion which I want to use. Nextly, I have some white onion. I'm going to be cutting up some white onion to put on it. So I'm using roughly about 1.5 white onion. That is beautiful, guys. Honestly, fantastic and amazing. The white onion is a little bit strong, you know what I mean, when it's going, so you just have to be careful when you're using that one. But honestly, it is amazing and it's fantastic. Definitely you guys going to love this one. All right, as I said, the recipe is a very easy recipe, straightforward, little bit of tweaking to it, but you know, as I said, Chef Ricardo normally giving you guys a simple recipe for you to make at home. All right, as I said, a jerk seasoned summer breeze chicken recipe from Chef Ricardo today. You guys definitely gonna love this. Let's rub up everything together on this chicken. All right, the best thing with this kind of chicken, guys, what you need to do is make sure you're marinating the meat from at least 2 days ago or overnight to get a lot of flavor inside of the chicken, you know what I mean? Because right now, as you can see, I'm just marinating up the chicken, but you need to marinate it and put it down for at least a nice good 12 hours before you even do anything to this chicken, honestly, before you cook it, you know. But as I said, it's just amazing. Look at that, beautiful and nice recipe. And look at that, fantastic and lovely. Look at the color and the texture, beautiful. So what I'm going to do, as you can see, this is seasoned up now, looking lovely and nice. All right, what I want to do is put this chicken for it to soak for at least 2 hours, the least. All right, so tune in with Chef Ricardo, don't go anywhere. And you know what I mean, as I said, we're gonna make it soak nice and lovely, so beautiful. So you might, I know what happened, guys, I leave it for about 30 minutes for it to soak. Just come back now. All right, but as I said, marinate it from the night before and put it in your fridge, can go wrong. All right, now inside of this tray I have a piece of a grease proof paper which I'm going to be doing my chicken in. So what I did, I'm just gonna lay it out like this inside of the tray. All right, beautiful. See, that's exactly what you want to do. Then all these nice lovely seasoning, you just simply put it on top of it and make it cook with it, you know what I mean, bring in a lovely flavor to it. All right, now the tips with this lovely summer breeze chicken, jerk chicken right here, is you have to preheat the oven. All right, that's the first thing. What you want to do is to preheat your oven. Alright, once you preheat the oven, look at that, amazing. That's fantastic, lovely and nice. Alright, so preheat the oven. That's the first thing you want to do. And once you preheat the oven first, if you're using electric, it's going to be 175 or 165. If you're using gas, 6 or 7 Fahrenheit Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit Celsius. Medium size heat, very good to cook this on. This will be taking 35 to 45 minutes in the oven. Put it in the middle of the oven. If it doesn't cook good, give it a few more minutes to get that perfect color what you're looking for. So tune in. I make sure make some space inside of the chicken that it have a nice lovely brown and lovely color when I'm gonna cook it now. So we're gonna put it in the oven, cook it for roughly about 35 to 45 minutes the least in our oven. Enjoy the recipe, and this is a seasoned summer breeze chicken recipe. Season a jerk summer season chicken recipe right here. It's just amazing. Hopefully you guys like it and please enjoy it. Nice and lovely, guys, and basically as you can see it for yourself, look at that. I just take the chicken from the oven. All right, I'm gonna show off an eye. This is some leftover ketchup me having in the back. I'm just put a little bit of liquid in it. All I'm going to do is just simple pour it around, you know what I mean, and put it back inside of the oven and make it own sauce. But not only that, also I have some white onion left over when I was making my onion rice. Just gonna simple put it right down in the middle like this. Instead I'm gonna waste this beautiful onion, I'm just gonna simple put it down right there. So the rice, or make my onion fried rice, the link will be on my YouTube channel in the video of this one. All right, Beautiful one. Look at that. Amazing. I love to use my this is my garlic and dried tomato, guys. Just give me a lovely look. Alright, so I'm just gonna put back this in the oven for about nice good 5 or 10 minutes. You know, make it cook some more. Look at that. Beautiful and fantastic and amazing. You don't have to do the onion section and the season which I just put on it, but if you want, just wash out some broccoli, you know what I mean, I had a little bit of ketchup sauce to it. It's come out lovely and nice, and you guys will definitely love it. See, looking good. Alright, stay tuned as we goes on with this beautiful recipe. As you can see, it's just amazing. You know what I mean? As I said, it's easy to make, so please guys, don't too stress yourself. You know what I mean? As I said, it's a jerk seasoned summer braised chicken, and I'm just doing it simple because I'm gonna be doing one on the grill outside when the sun gets really hot. You know, beautiful one. Enjoy it. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, I just simply take this from the oven and I put some plum tomato. Just gonna let them just bake off inside of it. It's amazing. Yeah, the chicken is finished, and you know what I mean, it's ready, done and dusted, just ready to shear up and serve up. Just put this tomato them for them to just get hot and, you know what I mean, juicy. You know. Yeah. So now we're just gonna simple shear up this beautiful meal. All right. Tune in with Chef Ricardo. Dinner right here. All right. So this is the rice which I make earlier. This is the real authentic onion fried rice recipe from Chef Ricardo. Beautiful. Yeah, I want you guys to just enjoy the recipe then, because it is amazing. Alright? Look at this now. This is fantastic, lovely and nice, and so simple. So simple and easy but effective, you know what I mean? That's exactly what we're talking about. With some nice lovely chicken thigh. Can't go wrong. Beautiful and nice. Not only that, we have a lot of tips and ideas how to make these kind of dishes at home, guys. Trust me. It's so amazing. Look at that. Now I have some vegetable which I want to shear up. You know what I mean? Because I love vegetable. And I love my vegetable, you know? Yeah. A lot of people don't like vegetable, but me personally, I love my vegetables. Beautiful. Got some broccoli and some bean right here. This is a very expensive dinner. I mean, yeah, but expensive but simple and cheap. Anyway guys, enjoy the recipe. I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. As you can see, that's the beautiful rice, and this is the jerk seasoned summer glazed chicken recipe from Chef Ricardo, and right here is the rice. All right, so stay tuned, and I will definitely see you next time in the kitchen with more recipes and ideas. All right, see you next time. Bye bye.